Children, open your GK book. Lesson number 18. Lesson number 18. Sunlight meant. Sunlight meant. Sunlight makes us strong. So see children, what is this lesson? You have to see the picture and observe the lesson. We all need balanced diet and clean air along with the sunlight to enjoy good health. Sunlight makes us strong. So see children, we all need first sunlight without and balanced diet, clean air and sunlight. It is these all the three things are make us give us good health. Yes or no? That's why what we have to do and what we have to not do. Just to see the here, look at the pictures given below and tick the activities. You should cross the that should not to do get sunlight. So correct which are the correct that you have to do the tick mark and which we cannot do that you have to do the cross. Now see children, playing outdoor in mild sunlight means that time when the sun rays are not strong, too much strong, that time when the mild sunlight, that time you have to play on the ground. It is correct. So you have to do the tick mark correct. Next, playing indoor games only. You are not going outside the door, only playing inside, playing indoor games like a carom, ludo. That is not good. These indoor games are not gives good health for you. Sometimes you have to play on the ground. It is wrong. Next, taking sun bath early morning. It is correct. Daily you must take the bath in the sun. Next, working on a computer the whole day. Otherwise you are busy in a mobile. That is also wrong. Don't sit in front of the computer while day. If you are having computer, you are playing computer games, that is not good for your eyes. That's why it is wrong. Exercise early in the morning. Daily you must take the exercise. आपको exercise भी daily करना ही है. Then your body become fit and fine. That's why exercise early in the morning is good. Next, keeping windows open in the morning. When you are at night, close the windows. In the morning, you must open the windows. When you are opening windows, your rooms, your home get the fresh air and sunlight. That's why keeping windows open is good. That's why you do the tick mark correct. Next, walking early in the morning. Early in the morning, you have to go for walk. Walking is very good for your health. That's why you do the tick mark correct. Next, studying in the sunlight. Always you are on the light and sitting in the room. That is not good. Sometimes you have to sit near the sunlight. When the sunlight is reach, in that place you have to do the study. It is correct. Next, using an umbrella to avoid harsh sun. When the afternoon, when you are going outside, that time sun rays are very too warm, too strong. That time what you have to do? You have to carry umbrella, otherwise you have to use the sun coat. That is good. So you have to do the tick mark correct. So understood children? What you have to do? You have to do the reading. Just you have to reading, playing outdoor in mild sunlight, playing indoor games only, taking sun bath early morning, working on a computer the while day, exercise early in the morning, keeping windows open in the morning, walking early in the morning, studying in the sunlight, using an umbrella to avoid harsh sun. Understood children? Like this time you have to do the reading and tick mark also do. Next lesson, traffic symbols. We see traffic lights or signals on the road. Do you know what these traffic lights tell us? Let's find out. So see children, in your surrounding or on the road when you are going with your parents or market or anywhere, that time you can see the signal board. These three lights on that traffic signal board. Which lights are there? What they are telling to us? So see here, red light. What is this first light? Red light. Red light says stop. Red light says stop. When the red light is on the signal board, you have to stop. And then when the yellow light comes, that time you have to wait. Wait for this yellow light says wait. Next, green. When the green light is on the signal board, that is said go. Says go. Understood, children? So see, these all the traffic lights who will follow when they are going on the vehicle. कौन व्हीकल से जाते हैं, व्हीकल में जाते हैं, ये सिग्नल बोर्ड का सिग्नल लाइट्स फॉलो करते हैं. समझ में आए क्या बच्चों? नेक्स्ट, while moving on the road we see the following traffic symbols. With signal board we can see the some symbols also. Which symbols we can see on the signal board? Just see, children. This is one way. What is this? One way. Only one side you have to go. That is, this symbol is says one way. Means एक ही जगह पे आपको जाना ही है, एक ही तरफ मुंह करके ही जाना है. This is one way. Next, this is U-turn. Means when you are when you are moving on this road, you have to turn this side. This is looks like a U. Yes or no? This symbol says U-turn. आपको यू टर्न मारने के लिए रास्ता है, ऐसे सिंबल दिखाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस थर्ड वन? दिस थर्ड वन इज नो पेडेस्ट्रियंस. नो पेडेस्ट्रियंस मीन्स डोंट वॉक ऑन दैट रोड. दोज हु वॉक बाय गोइंग बाय वॉक, चलते हुए जाते हैं ना, उसके लिए ये ऐसा लिखा हुआ रहता है सिंबल. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. ऐसा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट स्ट्रिप्स आप देख सकते हैं ना रोड में. दीज आर कॉल्ड जेब्रा लाइन्स, जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. सो दिस जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग वी कैन सी हियर. यस और नो? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. मीन्स दोज हु आर passing the road, crossing the road one side to another side, they have to, those who are walking, by walking, they are use this zebra line, zebra crossing. Understood, children? Next, fifth one, no horn. Horn बोले तो ये ट्रम्पेट का सिंबल दिखाया हुआ है. This is means no horn. You have to horn, no horn in this place. Means some places are there, you avoid to make the noise. That's why no horn, this symbol. Next, what is no parking? Some big malls or some big markets are there. There in front some are keeping their vehicles like a car, two-wheelers. That avoid means they are crossing like this type. No parking. This board they are hanging on that side. This is called no parking. Once again you have to revise. Red light says stop, yellow light says wait, green light says go. And these symbols, this is one way, this is U-turn, this is no pedestrians, this is zebra lines, this is no horn, this is no parking. Understood, children? So you have to, what is the activity you have to do? These all the symbols you have to write it in your notebook and draw the signal board, and there in front you have to write the correct name, red light what says, and like this type you have to complete your homework and send your homework to me. Thank you.